Twinkle forgot to say Bismillah and, oops, her juice jumped out.
Always say Bismillah, sweetheart. It brings barakah.
Bismillah. This time, everything felt just right. She forgot Bismillah again. Okay, Bismillah first.
Even flowers bloom with Bismillah in their roots.
Twinkle was learning. Bismillah is in everything good. You too. Always say Bismillah, Mr. Bunny. She wanted to remember and help others too.
Bismillah for my heart.
Because Bismillah means I start with Allah. Even if we forget, we can always remember again. Saying Bismillah invites Allah's help in every